So in today's video, we will learn about the 6 grades of manual muscle testing, that is MMT. So in MMT, we have a total of 6 grades, that is from 0 to 5. So 0 is the lowest grade and 5 is the maximum grade. We will talk about the grade 0. So in grade 0, there will be no visible movement and also there will be no palpable contraction. That means the muscle is not contracting at all. Now moving on to the second grade, that is grade 1. So in grade 1, I will feel a palpable muscle contraction if I keep my hand on the muscle belly, right? But there will be no movement or motion which can be visible. Moving on to the next grade, that is the second grade, and it is also known as poor grade. In second grade of MMT, the patient will be able to do the movement but not against the gravity. He will be able to do the movement parallelly to the ground. That means the gravity elimination position. For example, if I am testing about wrist extensors, so this is against the gravity, but the patient will not be able to do this motion. So he will do the activity or the motion in the gravity elimination position, that is parallel to the ground. So if I ask the patient to do wrist extension in this position, he will able to do it.